Good morning, third graders. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson today. Today we'll be reviewing rounding to tens and hundreds, which is what we've been doing this week. So let me share my screen. All righty. Got to get my right slideshow first. There we go. Okay, so today is October the 22nd and we're reviewing rounding. Our learning target this morning will be that the student will review rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. All right, so let me grab my pen so I can review this with you. All right, so we are going to be using our number line to round the number 47 to the nearest 10. So let me draw my number line. All right, and I first want to make sure that I place my benchmark numbers. So if we have the number 47 and we're rounding to the nearest 10, the lower multiple of 10 would be 40. The larger multiple of 10 would be 50, okay, because the lower one is always what is here in the number. The higher one would be the next multiple of 10 above 47. So we also need our benchmark number in the middle, and the number that's directly between 40 and 50 is 45. Okay, and then we need to decide where is 47 on this number line. Remembering that anything with a 5 in the ones place and above rounds to the higher multiple of 10. So 47 is in this area. So we know that because it is above this 45, it's equal to or above 45, it rounds to 50. So 47 would round to 50. Now, if we're rounding a number to the nearest 100, here's our number, 421. We will draw our number line. Ms. Fogelman's number lines are always so crooked looking. Okay, we would again place our benchmark numbers, okay? The lower 100 would be the 100 that is in the number, which is 400. The higher one would be the next 100 up from that, which would be 500. We would again place our middle benchmark number, which is the number between 400 and 500 that is directly between those two numbers is 450. Okay. Remember, when it's rounding to the tens, the 5 is in the ones place. When it's rounding to the hundreds, the 5 is in the tens place. Now, if our number is 450 or higher, it rounds to 500. If our number is 450 or lower, it rounds to 400. So our number happens to be right about here, 421, because our 10, if you look at our tens place, the 2 is lower than the 5 or less than the 5, so it's going to be down here in this area. So our number would round to 400. Okay, remember these benchmark numbers are very important for you to put on your number line so that you can be more successful in rounding your number, whether it's to the tens or to the hundreds. All right, so let's clear my drawings and I will get my mouse back. All right, so in the last slide, I just wanted to give you some reminders. Our reminders for today are don't forget when using a number line, place the 10 or 100 that is less than and greater than the number you are rounding, okay? And then it's very important to also place that middle benchmark number. Then you can decide which area of the number line your number goes. And remember, if it's that middle benchmark or higher, it goes to the higher number, okay? If it's less than the benchmark number in the middle, it goes to the lower number, okay? So also remember that all the numbers after the rounded number turn to zeros. All right, have a great day. Let me stop my share and get that work done.